Guys, it's Multivids here, and today I'm going to be testing testing it with my sister. Hi. So yeah, let's get started. The first one we're going to do is doing clear glue, and we're going to be adding some activator with it, right here. So yeah, let's try it out and see if it works. So she's gonna put in the clear glue. Okay, guys, now we're gonna add the activator. A little bit. Only add a little. Okay. And we have to mix it slowly, it said to do. So here's, oh, it's kind of getting together. It's sort of clumping together.
That's good.
Yeah. It's kind of crunchy and hard. It's kind of weird. Okay, guys, we're back, and this is not working. It's so crunchy, right?
Yeah.
It's so crunchy and just gooey. No.
It's kind of hard.
So yeah, we'll get set up for the next one. Okay, guys, the next one we're going to try is we're going to be adding some water, some salt, and some clear glue. So add the water.
The water first?
Yeah. Okay. Some salt.
So should I?
Okay, now the clear glue we're gonna add. And you're gonna realize it's going to be floating around, and as much as the things that are floating around, that's how much slime you'll have. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go put it in the microwave, and then we'll see you after that. Also, guys, it's for 1 minute. So we put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and it's steaming hot. So I'm not gonna touch it, but I'm gonna mix it.
It doesn't look like it's forming together.
This is not working.
It's just like liquid, not like slime.
Oh, the sides. So guys, what was happening was we put it in the microwave, but it was like bubbling sort of, and I tried this before and it has worked. So I don't know, maybe it was the glass. So we're gonna move on to the next one now. Okay, guys, we're back, and now we're going to try a new one. So what we'll need is shaving cream, some shaving cream we have right here, and we're going to need some clear glue. And we're also going to need some activator or contact lens solution, but we have activator, so we're going to use that. So yeah, so let's start. So first you're going to have to put your clear glue in. Okay, guys, I put my clear glue in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put our shaving cream in. I'm going to put a lot. Might want to put a lot.
Together?
No, I'm doing that. Okay, now we're putting in the activator. A little bit activator. Okay. Now we're going to mix it all up. Hopefully this slime works because we haven't had one working right now yet. Hopefully one works. It's starting to form together, guys, as you can see.
Do you need more activator?
Yeah, we're going to add a little bit. Oh, this feels kind of good.
Can I feel it?
Okay,
Yeah, it does.
let's add some more activator. Okay, that's good. And keep mixing. Okay, guys, and this is actually working. One slime at least. So this slime is actually coming together. It's kind of sticky. It's getting stuck to my hands a little bit, but I say it's really good. It feels really good. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a pass.
Yeah, it is.
So let's move on to the next slime. Okay, guys, we are back, and right now we are going to do a weird slime recipe, kind of. So what you're going to be needing is some white glue, and she said to add sugar to it. So yeah, see if it works. So add in the glue. Let's just open it. We're adding in the white glue. Okay, we're done adding our white glue, and now we're going to add some sugar in. Spoonful. That should be good. And she started mixing it a lot, so let us do that too. Okay, this is how it's going. It's not working really well right now, but she mixed it a lot, so I guess we have to mix it a lot, right?
Yeah, I think it's going pretty good since her thing is that's like in the middle.
Okay, guys, this hasn't really worked so far. I mixed it a lot, and so I'm going to consider this as a fail. So, yeah. So, we're moving on to our next recipe. Okay, guys, now we're on our last recipe. So, hopefully this one works. So, we have 2 slimes that are working. Here's our first slime that we made that worked. It's right here. It actually works, and
it's a fluffy slime. I really like that one.
We really like this one. It works, and I love poking it. So satisfying. So let's move on to our next recipe. So what we'll need for this is some clear glue. Most of these are clear glue.
Some water.
And we'll need some salt. We got more than salt right here. And you can also use white glue, but white glue doesn't work as much as clear glue. So yeah, let's get started. First, we'll be pouring in some white glue. My mistake, guys. I meant clear glue. So now what we're going to do is we're going to be adding a little bit of water. Okay.
That should be enough.
That should be good enough.
Put the cap back on.
And a little bit of salt.
I'm going to pour in my hand. That should be.
No, put all of it. There we go. Okay, guys. Now we're going to take the spoon and start mixing. We got a new spoon, our tiny spoon.
That one's cute.
So we were supposed to mix this slowly. Yeah, it looks clear.
I can't even see it.
Okay, guys, we're back. And so it wasn't working first, but I added a little bit of activator. So it's kind of small. It's right here. And it's kind of like the first one. It's crunchy and sticky and just no. So yeah, that one was kind of a fail, but it actually, like, you can squish it a little. Oh.
But we don't like the crunchy ones.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands and come back. Okay, guys, we did one new one. So what we did is we did water. We did water?
No, this one was water.
This one was white glue, sugar, and activator.
Yeah.
And we started mixing it. The activator like works for like every glue, almost every glue.
This one totally failed. Look at that one.
Yeah, that one totally failed.
Really bad.
This one actually kind of works. Yeah, it's still sticky, but you need to mix it for a while.
With your hands.
Yeah. That was the end of our video. And yeah, that was the end of the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.